I'm going to show you how you can make your very own Holi Blossom tree. To make this, you need a short cardboard tube, a pencil, a piece of stiff card, different coloured tissue paper, scissors, glue, brown paint, and a paintbrush. First, cut 2 slits at one end of the tube, each one opposite the other. Then, paint the tube with your brown paint and leave it to dry. This is your tree trunk. Next, draw a cloud shape on the card. Then cut it out. Remember, scissors are sharp. Now take the coloured tissue paper and tear off little pieces. Scrunch them into little balls. Then glue the bits of scrunched paper and stick them all over the cloud shape. Soon, the tree fills up with multicoloured blossom. Looking good. Once it's covered, take the shape and slot it onto the tree trunk. There, a colourful blossom tree to celebrate the festival of Holi. And here are some more colourful trees. You can find more brilliant makes right here on the CBeebies YouTube channel.